Hi guys, today I'm going to show how I swaddle my baby born soft touch doll. Her name is Gemma. Now we're going to swaddle her. So I like to put the baby's ears on the edge like this. Like this. And then you take, I like putting this hand up like this, and then you take one side and then you put the baby's hand near their side like this, and then you gently swaddle them. Then put this part under the baby, and then do the same thing with the other hand. The rest of the blanket, I like putting it over the baby and then put it under the baby in a very, very comfortable way. Here she is, all swaddled up. Doesn't she look cute? With her little cute pacifier, has a star and it says terrific. And she's all swaddled up and she's very nice and cozy for her nap. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.